So hello everyone, this is Amresh, and through this video I am providing you the sample question paper for class 12 students, class 12th CBSE students, those who have taken information technology as their 6th subject. The subject code is 802. So students, as you know that your whole syllabus is divided into two parts, that is part A, which is employability skills, and part B, that is your subject specific skills. And from part A you will get 10 marks, and from part B you will get 50 marks. So you will get 3 hours for this maximum of 60 marks. And in this session, your unit 1 from part A, that is communication skills, and unit 5th, that is green skills. These two units have been omitted from part A, and from part B, that is from subject specific skills, the subtopic, that is operating with multiple tables, which is in unit 1, that is database concepts, that has been omitted. Next, all those case studies that you have studied in unit 2nd from your part B, that is operating web-based application. From this chapter, all the case studies have been omitted. And from unit 3rd, that is from fundamentals of Java programming, the subtopics assertions and threads. These subtopics have been omitted from your syllabus only for board exam, final exam. Okay. So from part A you will get questions from self-management skills, that is from your unit 2nd, ICT skills, your unit 3rd, and from 4th unit, from 3rd unit. First is self-management skills, next is ICT skills, another one is entrepreneurial skills. From these 3 units you will get 10 marks, and from part B you will get 50 marks. So you will get 2 1-mark question and 2 2-mark questions from self-management skills. Likewise, you will get 2 1-mark questions from ICT skills and 1 2-mark question from ICT skills. Next, from entrepreneurial skills, you will get 2 1-mark questions and 2 2-mark questions. And from this you have to attend any 4 out of the 6 1-mark questions, and from the 5 2-mark questions you have to attend any 3 questions. From the 5 2-mark questions you have to attend any 3 questions. Likewise, the mark distribution for part B is from database concepts. You will get 10 1-mark questions, 2 2-mark questions, 1 3-mark question, and 1 4-mark question. From operating web-based applications, you will get 9 1-mark question and 1 4-mark question. From fundamentals of Java programming, you will get 12 1-mark question and 2 2-mark questions, 1 3-mark question, and 3 4-mark questions. And from the last unit, that is your work integrated learning IT. From here you will get only one 1 mark questions, only one 2 mark question, and only one 3 mark questions. So from part B you will get 32 1 mark questions, from which you have to attend only, you have to answer only 26 questions, and you will get 5 2 mark questions, from which you have to attend only 3 questions, and from the 3 mark questions you have to attend only 2. Likewise you will get 4 mark questions, and from there you have to attend any 3, and all these constitutes 50, and from employability skills 10 marks, and total is 60 marks. So now another thing is your question paper, that is divided into 2 sections, that is section A and section B. Your question paper is divided into 2 sections, section A and section B, and section A consists of only objective type questions, and section B consists of only subjective type questions. Okay, you will get total of 24 questions, from which you have to appear 17 questions. So objective type questions is of 30 marks, and rest of the 30 marks, that is of subjective type questions. So from subjective type questions you will get total 18 questions. From there you have to attend 11 questions. Okay, so now let us discuss what are the different types of questions that you may get in your examination. First one, 1 mark questions. So in question number 1 you will get 6 questions, from which you have to appear any 4. Okay, so question number 1, first bit, individuals who love interacting with people and talkative are called dash. So individual, that is the people who love to interact with others and are talkative. Then out of the given 4 options, what you will call them? Your options are openness, extraversion, neuroticism, none of the above. So the persons who like to interact with others and are talkative are called extraversion. Okay, the persons are called extraversion. So the correct option is option B. Next question, what are the effects of optimism? What are the effects of optimism? So optimism, it is your attitude, okay, through which you can achieve positive and your desired result. Clear? Optimistic is your attitude through which you can achieve positive and desirable results. Next question number 3rd. So you have 2 columns here. You have to match each bit of column first with each bit of column second, and you have to choose the options provided below. So first one from column first, grid of horizontal rows and vertical columns are called grid of Horizontal rows and vertical columns are called worksheet. That is last from the last one from the column second. Next, horizontal arrangement of cells number 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your row. That is first one from column second. Next, where rows and columns meet or intersect. That is your cell. That is fourth one from column second. Next is which contains one or more worksheet. That is your workbook. It contains one or more worksheet. Your workbook is the collection of some worksheets. Okay. Next, last one is vertical arrangement of cells named A, B, C, D. That is your the last one columns. Okay. So the option will be your last option. That is you have to join A with V, B with first, C with fourth, D with second, and E with third. Next comes to the next question. A dash is an electronic document used to store data in a systematic way and perform calculation just like an expense sheet. So the options are worksheet, spreadsheet, workbook, and name box. So the right answer is your spreadsheet. That is option B. Okay. Now comes to next question. What motivates an entrepreneur? What motivates an entrepreneur? So your options are standard of excellence, uniqueness, focus on long-term goals, and the last one all of the above. So the correct option is all of the above. Okay, the standard of excellence, uniqueness, focus on long-term goals. These all are all these things motivates an entrepreneur. Next question. What do you understand by organizational skills? What do you understand by organizational skills? So your organizational skill, it is your ability to make the optimum use of time, energy, and the available resources to achieve your desired goals. Okay, come to next one. Question number second. First bit. Double data type requires how many bytes in memory? So your double data type requires only 8 bytes, or you can say 64 bits. Second one. Which one of the following is correct statement for deleting a data named schedule? Which one of the following is correct statement for deleting a data? Deleting a database with the name schedule. Which one among the following is correct statement or deleting a database with the name schedule? Option A, delete schedule. Option B, delete database schedule. Option C, remove database schedule. Option D, drop database schedule. So for deleting a database, you have to use the drop command, which comes under your DDL, data definition language. Okay, so the right option will be option 4, that is job database schedule. Next comes to question number 3rd. There are four phases of development a web application project. So you know that first phase is your requirement definition phase, next phase is your design phase, third is implementation phase, and the last one is testing phase. Okay, so here you have two statements. Statement 1, feasibility study and scope of the application took place in requirement definition phase. Statement 2, connectivity between front end and back end took place in implementation phase. So now read the available options. Option A, only statement 1 is correct, only statement 2 is correct, both statement 1 and 2 is correct, none of the above statements are correct. So which one is right option? Statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. So you have to choose option C, that is both statement 1 and 2 is correct. That means a feasibility study and scope resolution took place in requirement definition phase, and connectivity between your front end and back end that took place in implementation phase. Next, question number 4th. Why work integrated learning is important for students? Because through work integrated learning, the students can gain a grasp of basic your work capabilities. Okay, that means your work integrated learning allow you to gain a good grasp of basic work capabilities and abundance knowledge of both soft and technical skills. That means without work integrated learning, you may not develop. Okay, so you need this type of professional setting. So what you have to write? You have to write work integrated learning allow to gain the experience of how to work and the knowledge of both soft and technical skills. Okay. Question number 5th. Which of the following commands is a type of data definition language command? Which of the following commands is a type of data definition language command? Options are create, update, delete, and merge. So update, delete, merge, these are your all these commands that they do not include in your DDL. Okay, they are not included in DDL. So your right option is create. Create command is your DDL command. Next question. How can you write multi-line comments in Java program? How can you write multi-line comments in Java program? So you have to write the comments within the forward slash, that means within the forward slashes, and at the starting, after the forward slash, you have to give the asterisk symbol, and after writing the comments, you have to again give the asterisk symbol and then slash symbol. Okay, like suppose you are writing here, then this slash you have to give, again the asterisk symbol, then you have to write your comments here, then again asterisk symbol, and you have to close it with your forward slash again. Okay, in this way you have to write. Next, question number 7. How many times the following loop will execute? How many times the following loop will execute? This is a for loop. The condition is, that means I equal to 2, I less than equal to 11, I plus equal to 5, and if the condition will satisfy, the value of I will be assigned in K. So in the first iteration, since I equal to 2, 2 is less than 11, so it will run. In the next steps, value of I will be incremented by 7, incremented by 5. That means 2 plus 5 equal to 7 now, value of I. Again 7 is less than 11, so again it will run. In the next step, it will again incremented by 5. That means now 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 12 is less than, that means 12 is not less than 11. So it will execute 2 times. How many times? It will execute 2 times. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Answer any 6 out of the given 7 questions. Cardinality refers to, options are number of attributes in a relation, data types of values in each column in a relation, the number of rows in a relation, and the fourth one is table structure. So the answer will be the number of rows in a relation. Okay. Next one. Differentiate between the alter and update command. So as you know, alter is the DDL command. That means that comes under DDL, and update that comes under your data manipulation language command. Okay, and your alter command is used to modify the table definition, but update command is used to update the attribute values. Okay. Next one. Choose the correct command to retrieve the name of all employees where the name end with S. That means you have to retrieve all the names where name end with S. So the options are: select name from employee where name like within a double quotation %s, that percentage is for matching any number of characters. Okay, so it will match all the name having any number of characters, but the name end with the letter S. Question number option B. Select name from employee where name like underscore s. This underscore means it will match only a single character, and the name end with s. That means total of 2 character with s at the last. Next one, select name from employee where name like percentage s percentage. That means any number of character with a letter s in the name. Fourth one, select name from employee where name like s percentage. That means name is beginning with s and then any number of characters or whatever with the characters. Okay, so the right option will be option A. Select name from employee where name like percentage s. Comes to next one. Consider the table. Consider the following table. Table name is employee. Its columns are employee ID, employee name, salary, date of birth, department number. Choose the appropriate commands to set default salary value to 35,000. So your options are option A, alter table, employee, alter salary, set default 35,000. Drop table employee, drop salary. Another statement is alter table employee, alter salary, set default 35,000. Next, alter table employees, drop salary, alter table employee, alter salary, set default 35,000. Next, alter table employee, alter salary, alter table employee, alter salary, set default 35,000. So the right option is alter table employee, alter salary, set default 35,000. Option A. Come to next question. Fifth. Find out the error if any. So here the question is integer j equal to 1, integer k equal to 8, and the condition is if j equal to 5 and if k equal to 2. So the error is the way the condition is written here. Okay, here there is no need of the if statement, no need of the second if. Okay, this one. And another thing, what you have to do, you have to enclose the two condition again with the outer parenthesis. You have to remove the second if and you have to enclose these two conditions along with the outer parenthesis. Okay, but don't remove the symbol for logical end. Rest of the things are correct. Okay, next, which element of the array does this expression reference? Num 5. Num is the name of the array, 5 is the index. So it will point out the sixth element because array index start from 0. Okay, so 5 number index with 5 will refer to sixth element. Next one, what will be the output of the following code? Public static void main string args integer a while a equal to 10, system.out.println a equal to a plus 1. So here you will get the compilation error, okay, because the value of a has not been initialized and the condition, this one, it has been written wrongly, okay. This is your assignment operator, not comparison operator. So you have to correct it after initializing the value of a, and then within a while condition you can replace that equal to with comparison, any comparison operator greater than equal to or anything, okay. This one is your assignment operator. You have to replace this assignment operator, okay. The rest of the codes are correct. So here you will get no output, you will get compilation error, okay. Next one, question number 4. Null value is used to represent unknown value, unavailable value. In case of not applicable, all of the above. So the answer will be all of the above. Next, differentiate between the operators plus and double plus. The plus operator that you have to use to add two values, or if you are using string, then you have to use a plus for concatenation purpose, and double plus is for, that is for increment any value, okay. That is your increment operator. Question number 3, bit 3. In the following statement, what do you mean by the word student? Here you have the statement use student. Statement is use student. Option A, database name. Option B, row name. Option C, column name. Option D, table name. So the right option is your database name. Student is the name of the database. Next one, what is the meaning of group by clause in MySQL? Option A, group data by column values, group data by row values, group data by column and row values. None of them mentioned. So the right option is the group by clause is used for grouping data by column values. So option A is correct here. Come to question number 5. What will be the output of the following code? Integer ch equal to a is a character plus b is a character. After adding these two, its integer value will be stored, okay, in the variable ch. Ch is the integer variable that has been declared here. That value will be compared, okay, within the switch block. Next, different cases are case A. Here you have no statements. Case B, system.out.print, you entered B. So the value will be not matched with case A and case B. Again, case with capital A, again it will not match, but this will match with the next one, case B plus A. Its value will be same as the value that will be stored in the variable ch, okay. Its value will be same with the value stored in the variable ch. So the statements written under this case will be executed. That means system.out.println your future is right, and since there is no break statement here, again the default statement will also run, this one also. So what you will get? You will get your future is bright and good luck. These two statements you will get in your output. Next one, rewrite the following code after correcting the error. So what are the errors here? Integer AC that has been declared correctly. Okay, there is no error there. Next statement, C equal to 5, it is also written correctly. Next, 4 equal to A, you have to correct it. Okay, you have to place the variable at the left hand side and the value at the right hand side. So you can write A equal to 4, then you have to give the semicolon symbol. Okay, next is while do, yeah, this is also written wrongly. So while you have to remove from here. Okay, this one also, the condition is also written at the wrong place. So what you have to write? Do, then write all the statements within the curly braces. This is also written wrongly. Okay, so you can write A equal to A plus C, C equal to C minus 5, and then you have to write this while keyword here and this condition at this place, and you have to finish with semicolon. Okay, next question, question number 5. Write the full form of DET. Write the full form of DET. So the answer is, its full form is Department of Electronics and Information Technology. Next question, which member function of the integer class, which member function of the integer class allows access to the integer value held in it, and that member function is int value. Okay, the member function is int capital V A L U E and then this symbol for your function. Okay, int value. Next, show the code of an infinite loop. So you can show any infinite loop. You can show it with a for loop, with any while loop. Okay, you have to give the condition in such a way that the loop will never end. That is your infinite loop. So you can write anything, any loop which never end. Come to question number 4. What is the significance of order by employee ID ASC in the following MySQL command? So the command is select employee ID, fname, lname from person order by employee ID ASC. There should be a space between order by keyword. Okay, that may likewise ORDERBY. There should be one space. So your options are data of employee ID will be sorted in descending order. Data of employee ID will be sorted in ascending order. Data of employee ID will be sorted in either ascending or descending order. Last one, all of the mentioned. So your answer will be data of employee ID will be sorted in ascending order. Okay. So the correct option is option B. Fifth one. Which sequence is correct for the phases that taken out to complete a web application project? The 4 phases are. So the first phase is your requirement definition phase. Next phase is your design phase. Third one is your implementation phase, and the last one is your testing phase. So the correct sequence is written in your last option, that is option 4th. So option 4th is correct, last one is correct. Okay. Next question. Find out the command from the options given below to retrieve name of all employees where the name end with S and having at least 5 characters. So for 5 characters, you have to take 5 underscore, and since you have got the questions which is written is at least 5 characters, that means 4 underscore, next is S, and before 4 underscore you have to include percentage symbol. Okay, so that percentage symbol will match with any number of characters, so that you will get at least 5 characters with S at its end. So the correct answer will be option B from here. Next one, question number 6. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. Online reservation systems are advantageous for both the service provider and the consumers. 2 statements are written here. You can read reviews posted by people while making choices during reservation. Second one, more manpower is required by providers to ensure smooth functioning. Choose the correct justification to the statement given above. So, and options are only first, only second, both first and second, neither first nor second. Here, the first statement is correct. So, what you have to choose? You have to choose option A, only first. Next question, what is scanner class? What is scanner class? So you have to use scanners class to make your program interactive. That means you can give the input at the run time. Okay. For that purpose, you have to use scanner class. Next one, what do you understand by structure of the database? So structure of the database means the number of tables, the name of the tables, name of the different columns along with their data types. These are called your database structures. Database name, tables name, different column name within each databases along with their data types. Okay. Next one, online shopping is an e-commerce application where the customer can purchase goods over the internet. There are several websites where the customer can go for online shopping. Select from the options given below which of the following is not an online shopping website. So the four options are flipkart.com, myntra.com, udacity.org, infibeam.com. So the right option is udacity.org. That is not a online shopping site. Next one, mention any two modes of payment during online shopping. So during online shopping you can use your credit card or debit card, or you can pay through QR code. Okay. Next, ICT enabled services are options are registration of birth death certificate, booking of railway tickets, RTI application submission, all of the above. So the right option is all of the above. Option 4. Okay. So those are all about 1 mark questions. Now come to 2 mark questions. Answer any 3 out of the given 5 questions on employability skills. You have to answer any 3 from these 5 questions. Explain about the 5-factor model. First one, question number 7. Explain about the 5-factor model. So the 5-factor model, it describes about the individual's personality. Okay. 5-factor model describe an individual personality, and this is also called your big 5 factors. Big 5 factors. Okay. And what are those 5 factors? Those are openness, consciousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. And openness means the individual who are creative, curious, active, flexible in each and every situation, and adventurous. Conscious means they are self-disciplined. Okay. And extroverts are individual, those who love interacting with people around them and who are generally talkative. Next, agreeableness. These are the traits of people who are generally kind, sympathetic, and cooperative. Okay. Next, neuroticism. These are the traits where people show towards anxiety. They have self-doubt, depression, shyness, and rest of the other negative feelings. Okay. And that is a 5-factor model. So, but you have to answer in 20 to 30 words. You can describe only these. That means these 5 factors in one word sentence. Okay. Question number 8. Differentiate between antisocial and borderline personality disorder. So, people with antisocial personality disorder, they disobey all the social rules and obligations. This type of people are generally irritative, they are aggressive in nature. Okay. And they fail to learn from their past experience. Sometimes they may addicted to alcohol, drugs, etc. Okay. But the people with a borderline personality disorder, the lack of their self-worth, that means they can't understand their own value. They experience feelings of emptiness, fears. Okay. And they are emotionally unstable. Sometimes they may commit suicide also. People with your borderline personality disorder. Okay. That means they try to harm themselves. Okay, next, how can you protect your spreadsheet? So you can protect your spreadsheet using password, by giving the password. Okay, and how you can do it? You have to click on tools. Okay, next from there you have to select protect spreadsheet. Now first you have to click on tools menu. From there you have to select protect spreadsheet. Then you will get one protect document dialog box. There you have to type your password, and the same password you have to again type in confirm text box. Okay, then you have to press OK. In the next time whenever you open that document, it will ask you to provide the password. Next one, what are the different attitudes and competencies required to become a successful entrepreneur? Okay, so the required attitudes and competencies are decisiveness, initiativeness, interpersonal skills, perseverance, and organizational skills. Okay, all these attitudes are needed to be a successful entrepreneur. Okay, next one, question 11, differentiate between technical entrepreneurs and IT entrepreneurs. So technical entrepreneurs are the entrepreneurs who use their expertise to create and offer machines, different tools, and different methods. Okay, different machines. But IT entrepreneurs, they are confined to innovation in the field of information technology. But if you talk about the technical entrepreneurs, their field is not confined to a specific field. Okay, so this is the difference between the technical entrepreneurs and IT entrepreneurs. Next question next part. So here you will get 3 questions. You will get 5 questions. From here you have to attend any 3. Okay. Question number 12. Explain about the importance of DBMS in government sectors. Explain about the importance of DBMS in government sectors. So in government sectors, like your any colleges, hospitals, anywhere, in government bank. Okay, in each and every field you have required DBMS to store data about the employees. If you talk about the hospital, then you can maintain the record of doctors, you can maintain the record of patients. All these things. If you talk about the banking system, you have to store the record of the customer, their account number, their total balance, and all such records you need to store. Okay, so for that reason DBMS is important in government sector. Next, why Java is called platform independent? Why Java is called platform independent? So as you know, the Java source code is first converted into bytecode by the Java compiler, and you can run this bytecode in any platform. That means whatever may be the configuration, whatever may be your operating system, that can be run if it has any Java virtual machine, or you can say any Java interpreter. So since bytecode can be run on any platform, for that reason Java is called platform independent. Next question is, what do you understand by data redundancy? How is it different from data inconsistency? So data redundancy means repetition of same data again and again in multiple places. So through this you can wasting your memory space in your computer. Okay, so this is one disadvantages. Next, how is it different from data inconsistency? Data inconsistency means mismatching of data. Okay, suppose you are not saving your data at one place, you are storing your data at different places, and those systems have not been connected. Then you may sometimes add a new data at one system, and in different system you may forget to store the same data. So at later, whenever you check those data, in some cases, in some systems you will find the data, and in some system you may not find the data. So that will mismatch. Inconsistency means mismatching of data. Redundancy means repetition of same data at more than one location. Both are disadvantages. Next question, what will be the output of the following code? What will be the output of the following code? Public static void main string args integer I equal to 1, do system.out.println, system.out.print, this one I plus plus, while I less than 11. So everything is correct, all the codes are written correctly. Here you will get the numbers from 1 to 10 with spaces in between them. Okay. Next one, there is a column salary in a table employee. The following two statements are giving different outputs. What may be the possible reason? These two statements will give different outputs. So what may be the possible reason? Okay. So first statement, select count asterisk symbol within the parenthesis from employee. Select count salary from employee where salary greater than 50,000. Okay. So the difference is what you have written within the parenthesis. In the first statement you have entered asterisk symbol, so it will count total number of rows of the employee table. But in case of second statement, it will count only those rows where the salary column contains more than 50,000. Its value is more than 50,000. Okay. Next one, 3 marks questions. Answer any 2 out of the given 3 questions. Answer the following. How database management concepts are helpful in banking sector? So as I have told you, in banking sector you need to store the information about the customers, their account numbers, and the total amount they have deposited, the interest amount, address of the customer, all those things that need to be stored. Okay. Next is, that is 1 mark question, so this much is sufficient. A bank is making database of customer and its staff. Staff table include employee ID, employee name and position. Give details of customer table along with its schema. So you have to add the name of the columns along with its data type. So different columns that you can include are each customer get one on customer ID. So first column should be customer ID. You can take its data type as character or integer, whatever may be, but each value should be unique whenever you enter the value. Okay, here no need to enter any value, simply you have to write the column name along with its data type. Okay, next is customer name, customer ID, customer name, date of birth, address, contact number. Okay, so these are the columns that you may include. Comes to question number 18. Convert the given for loop into while loop and point out the difference. So you have to convert this for loop into while loop. You have to follow the rules of writing while loop. That means just after while keyword you have to place the condition. Within that you have to write the statement, and after that you have to give the increment. You have to increase your variable value. Okay, and next you have to close it, and before the while condition you have to initialize the variable. Okay, but in case of for loop we can initialize the value within the parenthesis. Okay, along with the for loop at the same line. Okay, next comes to question number 19. Write a command to display the records from table student in alphabetical order as per the name of the students. So what you have to write? Write a command to display the records from table student in alphabetical order as per the name of the students. Suppose you want to display the all attributes. There you can write select asterisk symbol from student. That means you have to give the table name. Then you have to give the keyword order by. Next the column name. Okay, so select asterisk from student, order by name. Next question of B. Bit B. Write a command to display class, date of birth and city whose mark is between 450 and 550. So for that also you have to write your command. Next question, write a command to display name, class and total number of students who have scored more than 450 marks, but class wise. Okay, so I'll not explain all these things here. Okay, otherwise the video will be very lengthy. Clear? Come to just go through all the commands and try to solve these questions. Next part, that means here you will get 4 mark questions. From there you have to answer any 3. Consider the table sports given below. Write commands in MySQL for question number 4, first to 4th. Okay, so this is your table. Your questions are to list the name of the students whose game is cricket. So what you have to write? Simply write select name from students for a game equal to cricket. Okay. That you have to include cricket within double quotation. To display the report, listing name, game and grade in ascending order. For ascending order, you have to use ASC. To count the number of students, so for that you have to use the count function. To insert a new row in the table sports, so for inserting new row you have to use alter command, which is a DDL command. Okay. Next question number 21. Answer the followings. What are the different phases of a web application project? All those 4 phases you have to mention here also. That means your requirement definition phase, your design phase, implementation phase and testing phase. You have to write. What do you understand by feasibility study? Feasibility study means if the project is feasible, that means profitable or not. If profitable, you can proceed, otherwise you may not proceed. Okay. What is backend? Backend means you have to store your data there, your database for your program. Okay. What happens in testing phase? In testing phase, you have to link all the modules that have been written, and if your software is working or not, you have to test it collectively. Question number 22. What are methods in Java? Java methods are simply a block of statements designed to accomplish a specific task. Okay. Write a user defined method that returns the sequence of a number. So you have to write the program. What is constructor? Constructor is a method. It has no return type. Its purpose is to initialize the object at the time of creation. Okay. And your constructor name is same as the class name. Write its features. So you have to write the features of constructor. Next, last question, that is, consider the statement given below. String name equal to information technology. Now write your codes in one line for each questions given below. Write the code to show the length of the above string. So to show the length of the string, you have to use the method which comes under string class, that is your length. Okay. And it will return its value as integer. So you have to write in one line. Write the code to show the letter at position 5 in the above string. So to show the letter at position 5, you have to give the index 4. Okay, and the function will be character at. CHARAT. It is the name of the function, and it will return the character. So its return type will be CHR, character. Okay. Third, write the code to return the first occurrence of T in the above string. So to know this, you have to use the function index of, and within the bracket you have to write the character that you want to search. Okay. It will also show you the position, that means the index. Okay, so its return type is also int. Next, write the code to convert the above string to uppercase. For that you have to use the function to uppercase, and all these functions, those comes under string class. Okay, so this is all about the type of questions that you may get in a board examination. I have made this video very lengthy. I'll try to make it short in the next model paper. Okay, students. So if this video is helpful, press on like and subscribe. Thank you.